We got old Black Betty rolling out of Tanktown here at TMG today, guys. 1,000 gallon on our trailer package. We got the safe vertical cooker, live fire table, all kinds of stuff. Let's check it out. Now this is going to my man, Jeremy, with Yankee Twang Barbecue. You can see he gave us a blue and black color scheme. We went all out with it, guys. Looks sharp. Up front on the trailer, we got a little storage area plus 2 sliding stainless steel prep tables. Nice, come right out of your smoker, boom. You got a big area to set something down. Storage underneath. We do have a battery in here for our winch assisted stack, as well as our electric jack up front, guys. You might as well make it easy on yourself. You're gonna be out there working hard, sweating. Don't climb up on your smoker to put your stack up. Hit a button, you know what I'm saying? On the pit, 1,000 gallon offset with the custom black paint. Inside though, whoo, boy, look at that. Stainless steel round bar grates. Guys, that is not a cheap option. Here at TMG, stainless steel is expensive. Let me tell you what, it is nice. Very easy to clean, not ever gonna rust up on you, last a lifetime, and most importantly, you can brag to all your buddies you got the stainless steel grates in your smoker that they don't have. On the wheel and tire package, we've got our white wall tire, blue paint match wheels, baby moon hubcaps. Of course, we got the stainless steel fender topper as well. Don't wanna mess up that slick black paint. On the firebox, fully insulated firebox, just like every tank smoker we build, guys. 3/8 thick pipe in here, right with insulation, doors insulated, front's insulated as well, holds heat great, makes the pit run like a dream. But that ain't it. The passenger side is just as good. Here we've got one of our stainless prep tops, folds down, lock it up, prep off of it, serve off of it. You got open storage here, set your coolers in there. Here we've got a 60 by 32 coal mine live fire table. Got your burn box back here, grill tops with the top rack. Guys, that's kind of our standard live fire setup, really badass. There's more you can go with it as well. On the safe, this is our safe vertical cooker. Open it up here. Yes, guys, on a trailer, you gotta have a step stool to get to that top rack, or you be 6'7", you'll be good. But 5 trays in here, drip pan here. Got your firebox down here with your fire grate, ash pan on the bottom. There is a heat deflector in the middle here. Works great. Chicken wings, ribs, whole chickens, pork butts, you name it. Wear it out on the safe. Very versatile cooker. Of course, we got our other side of our stainless prep top here, matching spare tire. A little extra storage up front. Guys, that is Jeremy's 1,000 gallon TMG offset. Heading up north, so y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know who to call. TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.